I would say that China is leading on many dimensions of sustainable development goals, and sustainable transport is just one of them. The electric vehicle that China is developing, not only it's reducing the cost but also improving the technology and also improving the battery life. So electrical vehicle is all about its battery life, for how long that battery can sustain and run, how quickly the battery would charge, and China is working on it. China's experience of testing electrical vehicles, China's experience of manufacturing electric vehicles, and China's experience of running them successfully and exporting them, these are and of course having technology. So these are some of the things that can actually work in South-South cooperation.
I think one other aspect of China's example is that they have been able to cut distances across the country. So I think all that culmination of cutting distances through rough terrain in order to shorten the distances of the mission, I think that is very critical for developing countries to learn from China. China is one of the biggest producers of solar. China is also one of the biggest producers of wind energy. So I think China can help the rest of the world by making this technology cheaper and more readily available to developing countries.